morning, Patriots. Hello, it's Thursday, November 12th. You've just been learning all about minerals. We've spent about a week and a half on minerals. Now we're going to move to rocks. So we're going to spend the next week or so on rocks. I have examples here of rocks that we are going to be studying today. Now, we know from learning about minerals that minerals make up rocks. So, knowing all that stuff we already know about minerals is really going to help us learning about rocks. There are three types of rocks. We have igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic, and we're going to learn them in that order. So today, we're going to focus on igneous rocks. And igneous rocks are rocks that are made out of magma or lava. Lava is inside the volcano, magma is outside the volcano. It's the same stuff. When it's inside, it's called lava. When it's on the outside of the volcano, it's called magma. And as you can imagine, when rocks cool outside of the volcano, they cool very quickly, and we call those extrusive rocks. I have an extrusive rock right here. It is an obsidian rock, and that cooled very quickly, so it didn't have time to make crystals. It cooled outside, so it's called extrusive, X for exit, extrusive for outside the volcano. I have intrusive igneous rocks, which means that it cooled inside the volcano from lava. I have granite here. A lot of you may know someone or have yourself granite countertops. They have these beautiful crystals. And I have this igneous rock, diorite, which has beautiful smaller crystals. When a rock has crystals, you know it's an intrusive rock because it had time to form these crystals. It cooled very, very, very slowly. It's hot inside there, so it's going to take a long time for that molten rock to solidify. So, intrusive and extrusive are how we classify our igneous rocks. So, we're going to look at these rocks in class. Hopefully, if you're here with us, we'll get to look at them. Now, what are we doing today? You will be watching this video, and along the way on this video, you will be filling out this flow chart. All the way through the video, it tells you exactly how to fill this out. Now, once you're finished with it, don't forget to save it, and it's just gonna sit in your Google Drive, and you're gonna pull it out on Friday, and you're gonna pull it also out on Monday. So today is igneous. Tomorrow we're gonna do the same thing with sedimentary rocks, and then on Monday with metamorphic, okay? So grab your rock type flowchart document and watch the video. Have a wonderful day.